Scenario. After creating the database evaluation project and confirming the target database, you can start object migration. When you create a migration project, UGO checks the target database permissions, character sets, and parameter settings and instructs you to correct configurations to enhance syntax compatibility and ensure a smooth migration process. This video shows how to create an object migration project. Procedure. Log into the console. Select a region. And choose greater than UGO. On the object migration page, create an object migration project. Adjust the target database configurations based on the pre-check results. If all pre-check items succeed, the object migration project is created. Video. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. Select CN South Guangzhou. Choose Databases is greater than UGO. Choose Schema Migration is greater than Object Migration in the navigation pane. And click Create Project. The basic information page is displayed. Enter a project name. And select an evaluation project. Enter the IP address. Port. Database name. Username and password. Select No SSL. And click Test Connection. After connected is displayed. Click Next. On the pre-check page, wait until all check items succeed. And click Next. On the migration project confirmation page, click Create. Click OK. The object migration project is created.